Let's take a moment to have a chat with the award-winning weather presenter, Carol. Congratulations.
Morning.
Thank you both. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning to you as well. You know, what you start with today weather-wise won't necessarily be what you finish with. We're looking at quite a mixed picture. The high pressure that's currently keeping things fairly settled is moving away, allowing these fronts bringing rain to progress in. And if you look at the squeeze in the isobars, also tells you it's pretty windy. Windy especially at the moment across Northern Ireland. And here too it's rather wet, with the rain extending across the Irish Sea and other western areas, heading eastwards. For a time there'll be gusts to gale force through the Irish Sea, and windy across Northern Ireland and Scotland, and also Northern England in particular. Now, through the course of the afternoon, the rain will be sitting from Northern England through the Midlands down towards the Isle of Wight, not getting into the far southeast until late afternoon, possibly not even till early evening. And then behind it for the southwest, still a lot of clouds, still some dankness in the air, as there will be across South Wales, but North Wales by this stage starting to brighten up. You can see all the rain across Northern England. Beautiful afternoon though in Northern Ireland, with the rain moving eastwards across Scotland with some hill snow. Now that's half the story in Scotland, the other half is the wind. The black circles indicating the wind gusts, and around about the afternoon time across the Outer Hebrides we'll be looking at gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour, possibly more, and that will transfer late afternoon into the early evening across the Northern Isles, more especially Shetland. Those strengths of course are damaging and could be disruptive, so do keep your eye on that. Now, temperature-wise, it's going to be fairly academic in and amongst all the wind and the rain, but we're looking at a range between about 6 to 13 Celsius. Through the evening and overnight, the rain does get into the southeast before moving away, and then we're looking at a north-south split. For the south, there'll be a lot of cloud around, some patchy mist and fog, but it will be mild. For the north, and that means the far north of Northern England, parts of Northern Ireland and also Scotland, under clearer skies, it's going to be colder, there'll be some frost, and there's the risk of ice first thing in the morning. So talking first thing in the morning, some beautiful blue skies to start the day across Scotland and Northern England, but the cloud in the south transferring northwards. Meanwhile, we've got another weather front coming our way, coming in from the west. That too is going to introduce wet and windy weather. Again, across northwest Scotland, we're looking at gusts possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour. But although the cloud will build ahead of the rain band, we don't expect the rain at this stage to get into the far southeast. And if we take a quick look at what's happening as we go on through the weekend, the rain edges back westwards during the course of Friday, then high pressure settles in on Saturday and Sunday. Doesn't mean it's going to be wall-to-wall blue skies. It'll be quite a cloudy high that we're looking at, but it should be mostly dry, and we'll have lighter winds as well, Charlie and Lou.
Oh, Carol, we couldn't let you go without saying another congratulations. And we've got a lovely picture of you accepting your Television and Radio Industries Club Awards. Is it your 7th, Carol?
It is. It is.
Oh, and we can
fantastic.
see where Carol keeps them now, because look, if she reaches down into her special cabinet.
Yes, yes. As if by magic. There's number 7.
Fabulous. Yeah, and I just want to say thank you to everybody in the Television and Radio Industries Club, which we call TRIC, for voting for me and for this fabulous award. And of course, it's not just for me, it's for everyone. We all work very much as a team here.
Oh, Carol, thank you so much. See you a little bit later.
Thank you.
Let's see, time now, 19 minutes past 8. David Cameron said they were the small number of families who cause a large proportion of society's problems.
Now the government's pledged an extra £200 million to extend a scheme to try to